I'm going to give you some thoughts on Moore's law, AI, and the implications of quantum computing. Moore's law states that the number of transistors and microchips doubles every 2 years. If you note the scale on the y-axis, this scale is doubling every 2 years. In this case, it's just showing the gaps between 5 and 10,000 and so on. It's a fairly linear, but obviously linear in a logarithmic way, scale. In fact, this is an exponential scale, of course. Latest data 2020. AI is following a similar-ish, but a much steeper curve. The differences between these two lines are, well, this is a factor of 100. The previous one was doubling every year. This is measured in flops, by the way, floating operation points per second. It's a measure of computing power. But the actual increase was roughly 1.4 times a year. Okay, so obviously, again, exponentially increasing by 1.4 times a year until we get to the 2010, which they're calling this Epoch AI site, is calling the deep learning era. This is where things really take off. The increase is at a rate of 4 times per year, the likes of ChatGPT and so on. So how long do we expect this to continue for? At the moment, current thoughts are 2035. And why is that? Well, at that point, we may well have cracked quantum computing. And then what happens to this rate of increase? Again, this exponential rate of increase. This is probably going to be a dramatic change, a dramatic impact on what we do when we have this much computing power and we can run these kind of systems on, 100 times the computing capabilities of current machinery. What happens then? How useful will that be? What are the implications of that? I don't think any of us can possibly know, but it's coming. Give me your thoughts below. Thank you very much.